Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 48. One should not abandon, O Kaunte, the duty to which one is born, though faulty, for are not all undertakings enveloped by evil as fire by smoke.
Chapter 18, Shloka 48. Sahajam karma kaunteya sadoshamaphi na tyajet sarvarambha hi doshena dhumena iva vrataha.
Lord Krishna clears another doubt. But if the duty to which we are bound is riddled with evil, are we to follow it? In the previous shlokas, it was pointed that each one is ordered by his own swabhava and each can discover his fulfillment only in that self-ordered field of activity. That duties ordained by one's nature, swabhava, and one's station in life, swadharma, must be followed. Now, it is pointed that even when the work so ordained is full of evil, it should not be relinquished. There is difference between the meaning of the phrases born with and born into. One should not renounce actions which are ordered by the evil vasanas born with the individual, but one should not pursue the evil action one is born into. Actions are determined by one, the impulses brought forth by the pressure of the mental temperaments within, and two, the pressure of environments that tickles new temptations in ourselves. The subjective vasanas one is born with are to be lived through without ego and desire, and the vasana creating atmosphere into which one is born should be avoided. The defect is unavoidable as the appearance of smoke in fire, which recedes when ventilated in the atmospheric air. Similarly, if the more within is ventilated with the consciousness divine, the less will the ego assert, and therefore no defects can pollute the actions. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.